In this video, I want to show you how to install the Disney Plus app on your smart TV. So if you love watching movies on Disney, then this is how you can install the application on your smart TV. So you move over to your App Store or your Play Store, and you go to the search bar and you search for Disney. Disney. In French, we say Disney. Oh, what am I searching for? Sorry, I'm really sorry. Sorry, I'm searching for something else. No, that's wasting a lot of time. So search for Disney. One of the hardest things to do is type on a smart TV that uses remote. Alright, so that's Disney. I'm just going to search for Disney. I think it's going to show us Disney and Disney Plus. So once that's searched for, you see that's Disney Plus and that's Disney Plus. So you choose the one you want to install. Disney Plus, or Disney Plus Hotstar, or Disney Plus. So we're just going to go with the first one. And it's going to ask us to download. So this is how you download. You just click on download and it downloads and installs to your smart TV. As simple as that. You can watch movies like Marvel movies. If you're a Marvel fan like me, then this is where you watch your movies. So that's how to install Disney Plus on your smart TV.